G'day guys, welcome back to Lanih's channel. Just in my little fish room. Yeah, picked up a trio of silver mollies today. Just had to go past in the area of the aquarium today, so I went and had a look. Not much there. Sort of deciding between Danios and zebra Danios and these guys. Decided on these guys. The male's there, he's got quite a high fin on him, so let's see how we go. Just run you through my quarantine procedure. This tank here, broke it down around 3 weeks ago and put all my baby Amazon sword plants in there. A couple have died off, but most of them have taken and doing well. Put 35 sword plants in there and a few clumps of Java moss that was stuck on the matin filter from another one. So yeah, had nothing in there, so I was in the area, went by, got these guys. I've just had them in here for 20 minutes now, acclimatizing the water to the same temperature, and then in a minute I'm going to whack them in this container here and add some water. So I will get back to you when I've done that, because I'm only doing this video by myself, so not as much footage, but they look alright. 15 bucks, can't go wrong. So yeah, he's quite good. I'm quite happy. He's got quite a high dorsal, so yep. Alright, get back to you in a minute. Thank you. Welcome back guys. Half an hour later, I've added water twice to them, and now I'm going to put them in. They're going to be the only 3 in there. Just use it as a quarantine tank, and yeah, try and catch them. Hope I'll get them all at once, would be good. Oh well, 2. Not too bad. There we go guys. One more. They look pretty healthy, the ones I picked out the shop. 1 male, 2 females, so okay. I'll use this water. Got some lemongrass we harvested, and we stuck the lemongrass, a couple of new shoots. Got the lemongrass in the greenhouse, about 10 degrees warmer than outside. So there we go. They look okay. Much bigger tank for them. The 3 of them. I won't feed them today because got all the Amphasoria and stuff on the plants and duckweed. A few snails in there as well. I'll feed them in the morning. I'll just let them settle in. 2 down there. I don't know where the male's gone, but anyway, so yeah, there you go guys. Always quarantine when you get new fish, if possible, if you can. Always good to have a small tank somewhere. There's the male. So yeah, hopefully I'll leave them in here for a few weeks. I haven't medicated at all because they're looking pretty healthy, but I'll keep an eye on them and then medicate if I need to, but should be okay. Nothing else in there, so they're already picking at the stuff on the leaves, so that's good. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm, you know, average fish, but some people have been asking if I've got mollies as well, so I'm pretty happy he's got a thing. But anyway, see how we go. Might as well just chuck them in. Hopefully in a little while we'll have some babies, and yeah, tank was doing nothing except growing out the sword plants and a bit of the Java fern, so there you go. Pretty happy about that. Thanks very much. If you're new to Lanih's channel, consider subscribing if you'd like to, and thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.